Thinking of ditching that tired old lawn, scruffy patio, or even artificial grass? Or maybe you're battling a weed jungle. No worries, we've got you covered. Here's how to create a fresh, lush lawn from scratch. First things first, timing is everything. The best time to sow a new lawn, mid-March to late May, or early September to mid-October. Oh, and don't forget to check the weather. You want at least 10 degrees centigrade and to avoid those early morning frosts. Before starting, grab your tools. Here's everything you'll need to do this job. To begin with, break up the compacted soil. Loosening the soil with a garden fork aerates and improves drainage, which will give you strong, deep roots. Next, let's clear the clutter. Grab your rake and remove any stones, weeds, or unwanted debris. Think of this as setting up a smooth, comfy bed for your grass to grow in. Now level your seed bed. An even surface prevents water from pooling and ensures your grass grows evenly. Large dips may require topsoil. Once that's done, do one last check for any sneaky stones or weeds. Want an extra boost? A high-quality lawn fertilizer can help give your new grass a head start, but don't stress, it's not a must. Now it's time to sow your grass seed. Pick the right mix for your garden. Think shade, soil type, and how much wear and tear your lawn will get, and choose the most suitable mix for your prevailing conditions. Spread it evenly in a crisscross pattern, either by hand or with a spreader for the best coverage. Lightly rake the seeds into the soil or use a roller to firm them in. This helps with the germination by keeping the seeds in contact with the soil. The last step is watering. Give your new lawn a gentle soak and keep the soil moist. With our seed mixes, you should see little green shoots popping up in just 2 to 4 weeks. And there you have it, your new lawn is ready for summer. Happy sowing!